Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Aura frame. First, carefully unbox your new Aura frame and ensure all components are present, including the frame, power adapter, and stand. Next, download the free Aura Frames app onto your smartphone or tablet from your device's app store. Finally, connect the power adapter to your frame and plug it into a wall outlet. The frame will power on automatically, ready for the next steps. Now, open the Aura Frames app you just downloaded. You'll need to create a new account or log in if you already have one. The app will then guide you to select your specific Aura frame model from a displayed list. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your frame to your home's Wi-Fi network. This usually involves entering your Wi-Fi password, ensuring a strong and stable connection for your frame. With your frame connected, it's time to add your cherished memories. You can easily upload photos directly from your phone's camera roll or photo library through the Aura app. A fantastic feature is inviting family and friends to contribute their own photos, creating a shared experience. You can also customize display settings, such as the order of photos and how long each image appears on screen, typically for 10 seconds. Your Aura frame offers several advanced features to enhance your experience. Discover smart features like gesture control, allowing you to change photos with a simple hand wave. Customize the frame's brightness and set sleep schedules to conserve energy. If you encounter any issues, the app's comprehensive help section provides solutions for common problems, ensuring your frame always displays your favorite moments beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.